So we welded up the perches, and then I just primed it, and I'll go ahead and shoot it with black here in a little bit. And then we'll reinstall it to the back end. Also, got the radiator fitted. Got the lower hose. Lynn just made that up out of some hose that he had here. So more and more progress. There's the underside of my hood. I think I mentioned in my last video, I got this off of Facebook Marketplace. There was a guy in central Illinois that he bought it out of Indiana. A body shop had it, and had a truck, and the guy that bought the truck didn't like the pig nose, so they put a different 62 through 66 hood on it, and he bought this, and then he sold it to me. I don't even want to say the price because no one would believe me, but man, it is a really nice hood. As you can see here. So more and more progress. Things are coming together. I bought this battery tray from a guy over in Illinois as well. Different guy. Just found it on Marketplace as well. Found some, actually I bought that battery tray and these cowl pieces. So the ones that I had originally rusted down here. So I ended up, I think I've got 3 other sets. I got a total of 5 sets of these. So just trying to find the one that fits the best, one that has the least amount of work required. But things are coming together really nicely. Appreciate watching. If you enjoyed the video, if it brought value, consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up. There's the interior of the cab. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.
That fucker's eating. Oops, sorry.
Oh, that's okay. I don't get copyright infringement when you say fuck.